Welcome back to Dream Car Garage, the latest and greatest automotive channel on YouTube, where we're going to be showcasing some of the world's most beautiful vehicles and driving them like we stole them. In this episode, we're going to jump into this iconic beast of a muscle car, the Ford Mustang Boss 302, 1969. Now, I love this car. I love the chrome bumpers. I love everything about the old school muscle cars. But this one has a special flair with the special stripe on the side, the black hood, that bullet design coming down the top of the hood, the two lights in the grill giving it the four lights, this super aggressive look. It's such an iconic car. But you know what? Enough about that. You can see it's sexy, but let's jump into it and see what this bad boy does. If you like what you see, hit the like and subscribe button. But let's go ahead and jump into my design of the Ford Mustang 302. Now, honestly, I didn't really do too much different. I think they killed it with the original design. I just changed the wheels. I threw some white wall tires on there. I made the rear tires super wide for extra traction. I actually changed the engine. It's got a 6.2 liter V8 with a supercharger on it. It's got a roll cage. This one's ready to go. So you know what? Let's go ahead and jump into this one and see what it do. Thank you for making it this far in the video. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button along with the notification bell. I got a lot of cool stuff coming your way. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of my design, what your dream car is,